Hello and welcome to MyFavorito. This welcome assistant will guide you through the steps to get your business up and running on the MyFavorito platform. Once you complete these first steps, your business will be able to start supporting sports clubs and connecting with fans. So let's get started. This is the MyFavorito Dashboard. It's simple and easy to use. At the top of the page, you will find the navigation toolbar with links to your promotions, connected clubs, and much more. Today we will start by creating your community. So click on Community in the navigation toolbar. Your community is like your profile. This is what will appear when your customers as well as sports fans search for your business in the mobile and web app. This is where they will find your sponsorship promotions. The setup is very simple. All you need to do is enter all the basic information for your business: the name, a short description, postal address, phone number, email, and website. Once that is complete, upload a logo and 2 header images, one for the mobile app and one for the website. All images should be high quality to ensure your community displays correctly in the app and on the website. The images you use on your social media channels should work here as well. The logo should be a square image. Header images should have the dimensions of 16 by 9. When you upload an image, you'll be able to adjust it using the editing tools. You can resize and adjust which part of the image is displayed. Click Save and you have now set up your community. We can now see what it looks like in the mobile and web app.